Welcome, Cubs, to Leo's Bible Stories. Let's open God's Word together.
Roar!
Hi, Cubs. I'm Leo the Lion, and today's virtue is diligence. Let's visit Nehemiah, a man who worked hard for God, even when the job was tough.
Everyone, keep going. God has given us this work, and we won't stop. We're tired, but we'll stay focused. The wall must rise.
One stone at a time. Small steps, faithful hearts. God is helping us. Wow! Did you see that? Nehemiah kept working step by step until the job was done. Cubs, diligence means giving your best even when the work feels big or slow. Cubs, diligence means giving your best even when the work feels big or slow. Stay steady, Cubs. Roar for God. And that's today's story, Cubs. Thanks for learning with me here on Leo's Bible Stories.